Shenzhen Chip Optech Company Limited was founded in 2001 and is headquartered in Shenzhen, China. The production base is built in Huizhou City, with branches in United States and Europe, and offices in South America, Australia, Middle East, Africa, and other regions. Chipshow has established flexible and intelligent product manufacturing system with a production area of 13,000 square meters, having united and stable high-level professional team with more than 300 employees. Chipshow focused on one-stop service of marketing, R&D, manufacturing, and engineering since its establishment, with the vision to become a high-end outdoor LED display expert, focusing on the intensive development of outdoor sports, outdoor advertising, outdoor traffic, outdoor rental LED display fields. Obtaining 2 U.S. invention patents, more than 30 Chinese invention patents, more than 10 Chinese utility model and appearance patents, and successively passed 3C certification, US FCC, UL certification, TÜV Rheinland, European CE and RoHS certification. Strictly follows the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001, and GJB 9001C Quality Management System regulations. It is famous for its innovative and highly reliable outdoor LED display products in China's LED display industry. Chipshow takes integrity, rigor, and responsibility as its core values, upholds the business philosophy of win-win, and serves the world with the mission of concentrate to every LED display. There are more than 30 distributors abroad and occupy a large market share and enjoy a good reputation in Japan, the United States, and South America in outdoor advertising.